The ceiling fan in my room has one speed, high. It's old. The switch doesn't work properly anymore. Last night, it began to slow on its own, gradually, until the blades barely moved. I lay still, watching. When it stopped completely, the room felt too quiet. Then it reversed direction. Slow at first, then faster, spinning counterclockwise, which it has never done before. The air grew colder with each rotation. The wind outside rose in volume, matching its speed exactly. When the fan reached full speed again, the window latch snapped open. I didn't touch it.